Hi, what's up, Cardano Holders? So it says game over now, my brother. I have two good news for all Cardano holder, and yeah, absolutely, my friend. And this video, we will predicate this coin and we will do a technical analysis. So what's going on? The future will be bright because the Cardano, absolutely, my friend. In a previous time, starting for now, especially from last 24 hours, as you can see here, this is a very good news for all Cardano holder. To Cardano is again wake up and go more now. So let's see, my brother. The second good news is I will also tell you, but after prediction now. So let's predicate this coin. But kindly before a prediction, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see, my friend, this time from last 24 hours, the coin is starting moving upward now. So first of all, congratulations for all of you to after a very long time, Cardano is wake up and starting going the moon now. So my brother, from last 7 days, as you can see, my friend, this coin is completely fails down, and everybody and ask me to please give us one good news. So today I have give you two good news is now, my brother. The first good news I already tell you, my brothers, to Cardano is wake up. So absolutely congratulations to them, will give you a profit just in only at the end of month. Every cryptocurrencies, remember, my brother, every cryptocurrency at the end of month is wake up and go in the moon. So therefore the good news is that to please hold it, because the price is starting increasing now, and take a very good profit just in only at the end of month. Yeah, come to the point, my brother. The second good news is, which this is just the current condition, my friend, is going to be very good now. They are moving upward now, but you know, my brother, you don't know in upcoming time can they really be moving upward or not. So yeah, the second good news is that, my brothers, to there is a lot of chances to in upcoming week, my friends, they will move upward now, because my brother, especially short-term investor, they are starting investing in those days, and absolutely definitely they invest because they want a short time profit now. So therefore if he invest for a short time, so exactly, my friend, at the end every holder are invest and buy it. So therefore they will move upward now. So just only it's a good news for especially short term investor to if you want to sell it and at the end of month. So I hope they will give you a profit now. But before the end of month, please don't sell it, don't take any decision before you take my friend before you take any decision. Please research personally, but this is my opinion, my advice, to please hold it and sell it at the end of month. Thanks for watching, Cardano holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type of videos.